Thank you very much, Captain Tahir. Now that we've heard from the international regulator and the national regulator, we get down into the business partners and the economic operators that have to take these security measures and put them into force and balance certainly compliance with regulations with the smooth flow of goods and maintaining competitive market preferences. So we switch a bit our focus in this forum to that aspect. And our first speaker is Ahmed Rafaat. He's the air freight manager of Cairo Airport Company. Ahmed has held several management positions since 1997 in different fields of sales and marketing, projects management, and petroleum services until joining the aviation cargo business in 2007 at Cairo Airport Company. In the past 5 years, he has achieved many important strategic management tasks inside and outside Egypt, connecting the cargo business at Cairo through cooperating with international business partners and global associations. Please welcome Ahmed Rafaat.
Hello. First, I would like to thank FIATA for choosing Cairo to host this global event, the World Congress 2011. And at the same time, I would like also to welcome every single one of you for the participation and for being here in Cairo, especially these days. We seize this opportunity to give more information about Cairo International Airport and what we're looking for in the next period through these 5 parts of my presentation today for Egypt location and our projects and the cargo figures and the current and the future security measures at Cairo International Airports. For the first part, Egypt strategic location between Asia and Africa on the route between the Mediterranean basin and China and India made it an important cargo hub of the international trade. I wonder each time I attend any global event that I see all the airports mentioned that they are in the middle and they are in the heart of Europe or in the heart of Asia. So today, every one of you really in the middle of the world. So Egypt location here, it's very amazing. As you see, it really in the middle of the world. So this is the truth. This is the real big heart of this globe. So since the dawn of history, and Egypt is considered the natural gate for the brothers' land in Africa, with a huge transportation possibilities and a unique market synergy between Africa and Asia and Europe, which connects from east to west and south, and from south to west and east, and from everywhere to anywhere, using win-win partners, facilities, and services. So the next part is a very important part, but it's related to the passenger hub. So this is our new projects in the upcoming period. The first project is the automated people mover, which connects all the terminal in Cairo Airport and supports the hub processes. 2,000 passengers per hour, and it will be in operation in the first of next year. The new Terminal 2, it will be in construction in the first of 2012, and this duration of the project is 36 months. It's cost $450, and it will add 8.5 million passenger for Cairo Airport. And the seasonal terminal, it's now in operation, 1,200 passenger per hour, and will add 3.5 million passenger per year, and it cost $24 million. The real estate development and non-aeronautical development, we dedicate approximately 10 million square meter for this development, for entertainment and shopping and hotels, and a logistic area in the very near future, which will serve a lot of cargo especially for the freight forwarders. So I explain these projects because the passenger hub, it's mean more passengers and more airlines and more cargo as well. For our market here in Egypt, in the last 5 years, we show a big stability, because everybody knows the crises the industry faces in the last years. It's not only the economical crisis, but also another crisis. But I would like to tell you that in 2008 and 2009, in the middle of the economical crisis, Cairo Airport increased by 2.7%, and in 2010 we increased by 8.8%. So it's a very stable market here in Cairo. Our main commodities for exports, we exclusively rely on perishables as a main commodity, which represent 60% from the exports products, and textile represent 30% and 10% for miscellaneous. The major import commodities is equipment and food stuff. Mainly we receive it from Europe. In 2006, we made the national strategy to develop the air cargo industry in Egypt, and we make our forecast for until 2025. And in 2010, we can say that we move according to the most likely indicator. So I think we will go through 800,000 tons in 2025. This is a very important security matters, and the main topic for the forum today. So it's the safety and security, and we would like to tell you what we make in our facilities and what we do in last year in Yemen incident. So we just give you an idea that we have 6 terminals here in Cairo: Egypt Air Terminal, and Cairo Airport Company as an independent handler, and Cairo Airport Cargo Company, and Saudia Airlines Terminal, and Air France KLM, and the perishable terminal. After the Yemen incident in the last of 2010, it has been decided by the government to 100% screening for all the exports from Egypt. We managed to increase the X-rays machines at all the warehouses to achieve this task. And in February 2011, we achieved that. In this period, from November until February, we use the canine dogs to check all the exports from Cairo to any destination in order to secure the aircrafts and our premises as well. This is a picture about our warehouses. Here we will find Egypt Air besides the perishable terminal, and the perishable terminal is managed by Egypt Air, the national carrier. And we also have the terminal of Air France KLM and Saudia Airlines, and another warehouse for Cairo Airport Company. And this is the new cargo terminal beside the Cairo Airport Cargo Company. This is, will be a new cargo terminal. We can see it here with two huge facilities, one for export and one for import. And we make here something new maybe to the industry, that we achieve a radioactive check gate in the air side to check all the imports coming to country via this radioactive check gate, and secure our premises for any unknown radioactive shipment. And at the same time, it's, as you can see in the image here, entrance gate and exit gate, and we make something more for truck, because we don't want to make some crowded beside the warehouses. So we make area dedicated for trucks, or waiting area for trucks, and then go to warehouse to do the work. So the future security measures inside these warehouses, or the new warehouses we will have, sure, we will have a special cargo storage facilities for valuable cargo, for radioactive shipments, and for everything, and at the same time for general cargo. And we will achieve a security guards everywhere, and a secured access even for employees. And sure, we already now achieve 100% screening, so in the upcoming period and upcoming projects we will achieve the 100% screening, no way. And the radioactive check gates, as I explained. And the yellow line concept is the person who dedicated for the dangerous goods, he will not be able to go for the area for valuable cargo inside the warehouse. It's not only for the custom clearance guys or something, it's also for the people who are working inside the warehouse. So, and sure, the fenced area, it's 2 meter high all around the new cargo terminal. This is my presentation, and at the end of my presentation I would like to tell you that Cairo Airport Company is open-armed for increased cooperation and coordination between you and us for a better industry and to be better in the future than we were in the past. And thank you very much.